Today's vacancies are from Global Calcium for production and stores, as well as here you can see Bharat Biotech for production department and Biophore. So let us see the vacancy details. Coming to the walk-in interview from Biophore, this is on 23rd April, Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. for their API, Analytical R&D and Synthesis Research and Development departments. Trainee Junior Research Analyst. If you have holding MSc or Pharma analysis, you are eligible. 0 to 1 years of experience is required. You need to carry your updated CV. Exam follows for freshers. So exam will be there for freshers. Carry educational certificates. You need to send your CV to the following ID, mail ID, recruitment at the rate of biophore.com. So the interview venue is Biophore India Pharmaceuticals, Patancheru, Pashmailaram, Hyderabad. So coming to the next vacancy, which is from Bharat Biotech. This is walk-in for freshers on. So here you can see 26th April, Saturday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So coming to the qualification required, if you are holding a B.Pharm degree or B.Sc or IT or diploma and year of passing 21 to 24, you can apply for this. The documents you need to carry are updated resume, ID proof, passport size photograph, and educational certificates. So here these are the details. Scan the QR code for the interview location. The benefits are ESIC, production allowances, incentives, local stay allowance, subsidized canteen food. The next vacancy is from Global Calcium for trainee B.Sc Chemistry, Diploma or B.Tech Chemical, and Chemist 1 to 4 years B.Sc Diploma or B.Tech Chemical, and Officer 4 to 7 year B.Sc Chemistry, Diploma or B.Tech Chemical, Executive 7 to 8 10 years experience, and Trainee Associate or Officer or Executive for Stores Department, any degree. Freshers are eligible. The date of walk-in is 25th to 26th April, 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. You need to register yourself, scan the QR code. The venue is Global Calcium Unit 1 and 2. You can also find this job update in the website Pharma Job Alert, uh, where you can get all the job related updates. So don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.